Hi guys, warm welcome in today's video for IELTS preparation, and today I am going to solve task 1 activity which is from Cambridge 14 and test 4. So now let us first of all go through this activity. So as we can see, we have two diagrams, Grand Park of 1920 and then Grand Park today. So now let us see that the park has two entrances, one on the top from the Arnold Avenue and second from the Eldon Street. Fine, so there used to be one fountain in the middle, and then it used to have a stage for musicians, and then if we see, there used to be seats. Now if we broadly divide this park into two sides, that is the left and right. On the left we have 4 sitting arrangements, and then we have 2 rose gardens, one on the top of the stage and one on the bottom or at the downside of the stage. And then towards the right there used to be only one rose garden, so there is no more rose garden there. Then in the upper right corner, pond for water plants, then seat arrangement almost towards the lower corner, and then there used to be glass house next to the entrance at the right. Okay, so after so many years, what present is, there is only one rose garden. Then all things on the left have been replaced by amphitheater for concerts, that is the open air theater. And then in the middle there used to be fountain, which is now been replaced by rose garden. Rose garden has seats all around. Then entrances are as it is. Then there is something else, entrance underground car parking. So there is one more entrance for the car parking, and means maybe you can enter from there. And then glass house and seats have been replaced by water feature. Then there is a cafe on the place of rose garden, and children's play area is on the place of pond for water. Now means to say we are to use past indefinite while explaining park of 1920, and then for the present day we will use present indefinite. Now let us first of all introduce the task. The illustrations reveal the aerial view of Grange Park of 1920 and park at present, right? Okay, now we will talk about things which were present. Now since day 1 or since the time of inauguration, the park has 2 entry points. Means I'm writing this because these points are still present. At the top from Arnold Avenue and at the bottom from Eldon Street. However, at present the park has additional gate from underground car parking at lower right corner. Now let's talk about other things which were present earlier. Further, there used to be fountain in the middle and podium for musicians in mid left side to make things vibrant, means to make things entertaining. What is more, visitors could sit to enjoy these from seats in all 4 corners of this half. So all 4 corners of this half, and there were rose gardens on either side of the stage, so on the top as well as these. At present all these amenities have been replaced to give space to open air amphitheater in the middle. So else rose garden in the upper left. So only one upper left rose garden is left. So all other facilities have been removed. Okay, and then let's also talk about fountain. Fountain has been replaced by large rose garden having sitting all around. Okay, so that way we have covered almost things. And now let's talk about things which are on the right side. Now over to right from the Eldon Street entry, there was a glass house on the right adjacent to seats, right? So almost in the lower right, so means that is the location of these seats, which got replaced by water feature. Now at present there is water feature. Now we will talk about remaining things which are on the top right. So in additional, there was a pond for water plants in top right corner and a rose garden between pond and Arnold Avenue entrance. Further, these were converted into children's play area and cafe respectively. So now we have these two things. So means now over to the overview or the conclusion of this activity. In crux, the plan depicts the conversion of retro style park into modernized amusement spot for all age groups, right? So that is the end of this video, and I hope this video was really helpful to you guys. Bye bye guys, happy practicing. We will meet in next video.